Hello dear students, hope you are all doing well at your homes. So please follow the precautions of COVID-19 and be safe at your homes. Okay. So now today we are going to see the problem solving of exercise 6.2. Already we had done two videos based upon progressions concept and then 6.1 exercise. Today we are going to see 6.2 exercise. Okay. So in that exercise, first bit we are going to see the first bit that, so in that first bit, so one table is given. In that table there are 4 terms are given there: A, D, N and AN. Okay. So what is A? Already we have discussed these things. A is a first term and D is a common difference. N is a nth term. Okay. AN is a nth term. So N is a number of term. Which number we are going to find? That is called N. Okay. So in these 4 terms, so 3 terms will be given and the 4th term we have to find. So here I choose to solve the second problem in that one. Why? Because so first in the first problem AN is given, that is very easy to solve, so that I take second one. See here, the D is not given here. So with the help of another 3 we have to find the common difference here. So we know that the nth term, the formula for nth term is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So in this formula we have to substitute all the given 3 terms here. So what are the terms given here? We know that AN is 0. Let us substitute 0 in the place of AN is equals to A. A is minus 18. So let us observe these things. We will confuse at the signs. Okay. So that write carefully, minus 18 plus N. Which term we have to find? So nth term. So that term is 10. So 10 minus 1. D we have to find. So we are not writing anything, we are simply writing D here, and then 0 is equals to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9 into D. Let us transpose minus 18 to LHS. So it will become plus 18, 0 plus 18, that is equals to 9D will be remain on the RHS. Let us 18 will be there on LHS. Now in the next step we have to transpose 9 to LHS, so that it will divides the 18. So 18 by 9 is equals to D. Let us cross here, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So D is equals to 2. So the common difference is 2. So let us write 2 here. So like this you have to solve all the problems which are given in that table. Okay. So the formula will be same, the process will be changed, the terms will be changed. Sometimes the N will be not given, sometimes AN will be not given, sometimes A will be not given. So with the help of remaining 3 we have to find the given thing. Okay. Right. Now students, let us see the second bit. So the second bit is similar to the exercise example 3 problem. So that I am solving here the example 3, so that you can solve the second bit there. Okay. So see, example 3 is find the 10th term of the AP 5, 1, minus 3 and minus 7. So here the AP progression is given and we have to find the 10th term. Okay. It is very easy. So let us see the given that, what we have to write the first given data here. So that is first term A is equals to 5 there. Let us find the difference D there. Already we discussed this one. So that is A3 minus A2 or A2 minus A1. So whichever you would like to do. See here I am doing here A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 is 1 minus 5, that is minus 3 minus 1. Okay. So minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. The common difference is minus 4 here. And which term we have to find? We have to find the 10th term. Okay. That is denoted with the n here. N is equals to 10. So let us write the formula here. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute the given values here. That is a 10. A n means we have to find the 10th term, so that a 10 is equals to a. A is a 5 here, plus we have to find the nth term, that is 10. So 10 minus 1 into d value already we had we find here, that minus 4 we are writing here, and let us calculate this one. 5 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into minus 4. So 9 into minus 4, that will become minus 36 here. A10 is equals to 5 minus 36. So A10 is equals to minus 31. So we had already find that one. A10 is equals to minus 31. So the 10th term of given AP is minus 31. So let us students, so with the help of this example, you can solve the second exercise in the second bit in the second exercise. Okay, right.